Next up here, Innovative Car Sound 2004 Jeep Liberty. It now has the remote start alarm, lock and unlock, quarter-mile pager, full security, flashing lights, honking horn, siren underneath the hood. For the remote start, we hit the start key once. Remote whistles, parking lights come on, and the engine cranks. There's no one inside the car. Keys are right here. Give us a call, set up an appointment, 214-320-5500. Quarter-mile pager, lock and unlock, security, installed 2004 Jeep Liberty. I'll shut it down. This one's all set and ready to go. We'll see you guys on the next one.